student, welcome to Phonics Academia online class grade 4 unit number 1 whole number. So now student, open your book page number 2 in which we have discussed short introduction of this chapter. So now we start our lecture, but first this topic is that whole number. Firstly student, we had discussed about what is a whole number. Number start from 0 and continue is known as a whole number, like that 0, 1, 2, 3, because that's a number start from 0. So when number start from 0 is known as a whole number. The next other subtopics of this unit is the operations. What is the operation? Data process by using operator to solve real life problem. You know that when you solve your problem, this method is known as the operations. So this in operation the 4 operator is to be used. The 4 basic operator in a math. First is addition, second is subtraction, third is multiplication, and fourth is division. In addition you have added your value, in a subtraction you have minus your value, third is a multiplication in which you have multiply two values to find out a product. Multiplication has a 3 subtopics. First is the multiplicand, second is the multiplier, and third is the product. Multiplicand is a number is to be a multiply. वो नंबर जो multiply किया जाता है उसको हम multiplicand बोलते हैं. The multiplier is a number that by the multiplicand is to be a multiply. Multiplier वो नंबर होता है जिससे हम multiplicand को multiply करते हैं. I explain this definition is again the multiply is that the number by which the multiplicand is to be a multiply, and the result or answer of this multiplicand or multiplier by using the method of multiplication is known as the product. Fourth is the division. Division have a 4 subtopic. First is the dividend. That a number is to be a divide is called a dividend. But this answer of this division is called a quotient, and the lefting value is called a remainder of this quotient is the third part, and the last part of the division is to be a divisor. That a number is used for dividend is known as a divisor. So now we come into a 6-digit number. The 6-digit number is 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. This is a 6-digit number. Place any chart of the 6-digit number is to be given 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. This place value chart help you find out the place value of that 3 digits and to write the numbers in words. Okay. So for example your first digit is 2. So the place value of the number is 2 and its place at the ones. Second is tens and the point of 3 is equal to 30. The third point is 100 and the fourth number is present at the 100. So the place value of 4 is 400. Then 5 has the 1000, 9 is the 10,000 and 1 is the 100,000. That's the place value chart to explain your place value of that the number. Number in words rule. When you write the number in words, firstly you have to know about that. What is the place value of that number? Firstly, the name of number, because if you write the right name of that number and right place value of the number when your question is to be solved. So, for example, you have at the point of 100,000 is 1. So, 100,000, 95,432. This place value chart help and the name of the number is help to write the numbers in word. Next is to be a expand form. The combination of the numbers parts. The combination of the number part. It's a parts. How many parts? 6 parts of in a 6-digit number and 6 value. When these parts are to be a combined. जब भी ये पार्ट्स आपस में कंबाइन करते हैं तो एक वैल्यू प्रोड्यूस होती है और इस पार्ट्स को हम क्या बोलते हैं? एक्सपेंड फॉर्म बोलते हैं. दिस पार्ट इज नाउन एज द एक्सपेंड फॉर्म. Now we come into the number pattern rule. To find the next number, for example, you have giving the 2, 4, 6, 8 and they say that write the 2 next terms. So how to write this term? You follow the number pattern rule. The number pattern rule is that first number minus second number to find out the next term. So for and plus 5 is equal to 34. This pattern is known as the pattern rule. Next and last topic is about your lecture is using of the sign less than, greater than or equal. Less than sign, left side is less than to the right side. When your left side is less than to the right side, your less than sign is to be a U. But when your greater sign is used when the left side value is greater than to the right side, and an equal sign is used when left side and right side both values to be equal. So it's a short introduction of your chapter. Now you have learned about the short introduction and prepare your homework and classwork copy. Now next lecture and tomorrow we start exercise. You have complete your lesson. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.